This is a demonstration of creating a team in Microsoft Teams. To start, select Teams from the left menu. When selected, you will typically see a grid or list of your teams. I currently have my teams hidden for the purpose of recording this demonstration. Next, you'll need to find the Join or Create a Team option. Depending on your settings, this may be in the bottom left-hand corner or in the upper right-hand corner. When selected, it will show me a list of teams that are public that I can join. Or in the upper left-hand corner of this section, I have the option to create a team. Select Create Team. The option to create team is only available for faculty and staff accounts. Next, I'm prompted to select a team type. In most cases, I recommend selecting Other. An exception to this would be if you are using this for a class. The reason I prefer to select Other is that the PLC and staff options include features that cannot be removed once the team is created, whereas the Other team starts with a blank slate that lets me add the features that I want for my team. We have heard feedback from users that selecting PLC or staff adds in a notebook or other features that team owners would like to remove but are not able to. So for this reason, I recommend selecting Other. Next, I will determine a team name for this team. In this demonstration, I'm creating a user group called Microsoft Teams for users of Microsoft Teams to learn about the application and share ideas with each other. You will see that when a team is created, it will automatically have MNSU- added to the front of the name and -team added to the end, so that the name you are entering will be in the middle. Because these are automatically added to your team name, I recommend excluding the word team or MSU or MNSU from your name. For example, I won't name my team Microsoft Teams at MNSU because MNSU is already being added to the front of my team name. I'm going to give my team a description. I'll say this team is for learning about Microsoft Teams at Minnesota State Mankato. Next, I'll select a privacy option. If I intend to use this team for storing or exchanging any type of private information, such as information about students or employees, then it's really important that I would select Private. But because the team I'm creating is merely for learning and I want to encourage as many people as possible to join, I'm going to select Public. Next, I will be prompted to add members to my team. As I type in a name, it will search the MnState address book, and then I can select whichever people I want as member of my team. My primary collaborator for this is Lexi, so I will add her name by typing in her name. Team owners are responsible for adding or removing members, can edit or delete a team, and have access to adjust additional settings that members cannot access. It is recommended to have at least 2 owners for a team in case one of the owners is not available. My team is now ready to go. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.